TikTok is a great app to what the fuck? With the recent ban on TikTok, this has opened my mind a lot as far as how we as artists utilize the app. TikTok is a great app for artists to use to get noticed and gain a large audience relatively quickly, but TikTok isn't the end all be all. This is especially true with the recent events about, banning TikTok, even though it didn't last that long, still should have opened your eyes a little bit. And excuse my French here, but we gotta use other shit. We can't just keep posting all our content, all our artwork onto one app. We gotta branch out. And this should be a wake up call for all of us. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, ArtStation, Kara, if y'all even know about that one. Those are all great apps to use to also post your content on, right? They don't all have to go to TikTok. Personally, I rarely even use TikTok. Like, even if I do use it, I'm probably just gonna post a process video or something art related and immediately hop off the app. Like, rarely do I ever just sit down and actually open the app, right? I don't sit there scrolling through it. It's just, personally, I don't like to use it. If I'm gonna scroll through something, it's probably gonna be like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, which, granted, I will admit, half the stuff on there is reposted from TikTok, right? But my point is, I don't personally like to use TikTok. I don't have anything against anyone who uses it, right? You can use it if you want to. I'm just saying I don't. One of the big reasons I don't is because I feel like on there people just aren't as authentic and they don't really care about what you're doing as much as they do on other apps like YouTube and Instagram. I just feel like on, like those other apps, people genuinely like follow you for a reason. Like they follow you because like, they like what you're doing, they actually care about the things you're saying. On TikTok, everything is just kind of, I'm really not trying to use the word brain rot here, but I feel like that pretty much sums it up. I'm not trying to bash anyone that uses TikTok. If you want to use TikTok, you can use TikTok. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying it's right, but I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying these are some of the things that I've noticed from my own experience. So if you feel like all your content and all your artwork is just going to one app, try to branch out, because if one of them gets discontinued for whatever reason, you still have backups. But if you only have one account, then you're just screwed. So I'm gonna take my own advice here and try to utilize these other apps a little bit more. Obviously, I use YouTube. I do use Instagram and Twitter and TikTok as well. It's just obviously all my long form videos are on YouTube, right? Because that's what's made for it. But I post all my shorts, my short form videos, like everywhere. And I do that because like you can have one account that's super dry for whatever reason, and then have another account on a different app that starts to blow up a bit. So just post everywhere, because you never know which app is going to be the one for you that gets you that large audience. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to keep it short, sweet, and simple, and give my 2 cents about the whole recent events with the TikTok ban and whatnot. But if you guys like the video, go ahead and share it. Other than that, I'm out.